Welcome everybody to our first virtual University of Phoenix KWB event. We've done a couple of those before in the live format. I can already tell you that we got easily 3 times as many participants doing it this way.
With several hundred registered attendees participating virtually around the country, these next few days are bound to make for an incredible exchange of ideas and expertise. On behalf of the entire university community, I want to thank you for joining us and for the critical role you play in advancing our mission and vision.
This summit now being virtual, as Henrik, you mentioned, 3 or 4 times as many people able to access the summit. It makes the summit really a poster child for innovation. We're breaking new ground here using Shindig technology. I'm excited for the level of engagement I know will take place over those days.
One of the key things that we wanted to do was put together a group that could help to bring together various alumni with the University of Phoenix to provide them with an opportunity to work on not only networking together, but also to develop, the ability to, advance their scholarship as well as develop, professional development here at the university.
Do you have many folks who are involved in women in leadership that we might come up with something that they could do as a team?
Well, we do have a number of women that I know of that are involved in leadership. What I was really thinking of is my work with the Bay Area Diversity Council. I'm the vice president of our chapter.
The first set of analyses that you ran where you were trying to tease out if there was any collinearity, I was just a little curious if you could expand on that a little bit more.
I was trying to figure out whether the different kinds of professional development had a different impact. The concern is that in-service professional development might influence self-study professional development, which might influence online professional development.
We thought that it would be very beneficial to focus on issues related to University of Phoenix alumni to begin with. Maybe in the next round of Flowchart, we would expand a little bit the boundary and focus on other issues.
Fiona, thank you for joining us. Let's talk about your center's focus a bit and what you guys are working on now.
The focus of the umbrella term, really the digital economy. If we looked at Amazon, which started 20 years ago as the dividing line of when we start digital economy, so we look at how it has changed the way we do business.
To everybody who's on this conference, our attendees, my great colleagues, all of you guys have made that possible so that now we can move to something even greater.
I've never done a virtual conference. I never thought I would ever be able to share my screen. So I want to thank you and David for inspiring all of us to fulfill our potential. We really have.